Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a brand new, beautifully embossed elastic knit. It has a beautiful texture and good elasticity. 2 of the loops are in the knit column, and in the purl is one for a divider. The sample has a multiple of 3 loops, plus 1 loop for symmetry and 2 edges. There are only 2 rows in the scheme. Let's start on the right side. Row 1 right side, repeat pattern is, purl 1. Knit 2 together. Knit once again the second loop. Purl 1. Knit 2 together. Knit once again the second loop. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 2 wrong side. Repeat pattern is, knit 1, slip 1, purl 1. Knit 1, slip 1, purl 1. Knit 1, slip 1, purl 1. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. I just showed you a new, gorgeous, unique, and really simple elastic knit that takes only 2 rows. It is appropriate for all season clothing and accessories. I highly recommend it. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. To watch all of my videos, subscribe to the channel and notifications. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.